Hi there, my name is Israel and I welcome you to Flourish Field Academy. Today we're starting an exciting journey into the world of Python programming. Now, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this series is perfect for you. Python is a powerful high-level programming language that is easy to learn and use. In this series, we will cover everything from the basics to more advanced topics. In this first video, we'll start by installing Python and setting up our development environment. Now, to get Python installed in your operating system, all you need to do is head over to the official Python website, which is python.org, that is python.org. Now, as you can see in my browser, I already have that page loaded up. And all you need to do is head over to this download in the navbar, and you'll be presented with the different operating systems that Python is available on. Now, all you need to do is follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Now, once you've installed Python successfully, the next thing we need to do now is to install a code editor. And this code editor is what will enable us to code in Python. And I recommend using Visual Studio Code because it is free and very powerful. Now, we'll head over to the Visual Studio Code official website, which is codevideo.com. But before we hit that download button, I'd like to show you some of its great features. As you can see, it allows us to code in any language: JavaScript, C#, Java, Markdown, TypeScript, C++, JSON, PowerShell, even Python itself, HTML, PHP, then YAM and the markup language. Then we also have some extensions that allows us to work with different programming languages. As you can see, Python, it has a rich language support for Python, and not just Python, but some other technologies as well. It also allows us to collaborate with Copilot, but don't worry, if we ever get there, we'll talk about that. So all we need to do is click on this download button in the right hand side of the website, and that will load the page of the different operating system that Visual Studio Code is available on. Now, as you can see, we have the different operating system that Visual Studio Code is available on, and that is Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So all you need to do is click on the one for your operating system and then download it on your operating system. Now, once you've done that, the next thing we need to do before I end this video is to confirm that we have Python installed globally on our machine, and then I'll just show you the Visual Studio Code editor. And now to check if Python is installed globally, what you need to do is type in Python in your terminal. You need to open up your terminal and type this in: _ then version. Now, before I hit enter, what this command does is to show you the current version of Python you have available on your system. Now, the version you see printed out in my terminal might be different from the version in your terminal, and that is fine. This could mean either one of two things: either I have a higher version than you, or you have a higher version than me, and that's just it. Once I click enter, as you can see, I have Python version 3.11.9 installed on my system, and that's not even the current version, because from the official website, when I click on download or just over that down, you see Python version 3.12.4 is the current latest version, and if this is the version you have on your operating system, that is fine. So the last thing is to just open up the Visual Studio Code editor, and yes, this is it. This is how the code editor looks like, the Visual Studio Code editor, and this is the code editor we'll be working with moving forward. Yes, that is it. And in the next video, we'll dive into the basics of Python syntax and writing your first program. Now, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.